Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the keyboard slow response issue on Windows 11, but you can follow these steps in other Windows OS like Windows 10 or 8. So let's start without wasting our time guys. First of all, you need to open the run command here and we need to check the keyboard setting first. And once you open the run command first, you need to type here the command control space keyboard and press the enter key or OK. Now you need to make sure that repeat rate is not like slow. You need to drag it to the fast here. Once you do the setting, you need to apply and then you need to click on OK. And if there is any changes you made on your system, it will fix your issue now. So this is the first step to fix the issue. If your issue is still not resolved, so this issue can happen sometime due to the filter key. So on the search, simply type here filter keys like so and click on here, and once you click on here you need to click on keyboard here. Just go back one step and you need to, if it is on like this, you need to turn off the filter keys, and sticky keys also off and toggle keys also off. Make sure the same setting you have done on your keyboard. This is a very important, this one, filter keys. Rest of the options are okay here, off on this. These are the default options, so you need to do the same setting. So this is the step number 2. If this is also unable to fix your issue, so this issue could lead your Windows driver related issue. In order to fix that, open device manager, and from the device manager look for your keyboard. Here is keyboard, this option, expand it, and you need to right click on your keyboard, update driver. First try the search automatically for drivers. If this does not help, right click, update, browse, and choose your HID keyboard device, then click on next. And once the driver is installed successfully, you need to do the same setting with this as well. The latest, choose the latest one, then click on next and then click on, and you may have to restart your Windows. It is saying restart your Windows and check back after restarting your window, it will fix your issue. If this is also unable to fix your issue, let's open the command prompt here as admin, and this issue can occur sometime due to the Windows corruption. Type here sfc space / scan now. Hit this command, and once this command is completed, you can get this issue. This is not an issue. You have to restart your Windows, restart and update, and also make sure guys your window is up to date. If that is not up to date, you may get various issues including the keyboard hang or lagging issue. Make sure your window is up to date and all the updates are done on your computer. And once the restart and update is done, you can open again command prompt as admin and run the sfc command as admin, and it will fix your issue. If nothing works for you, I should suggest you to reset your PC or reinstall the fresh window, and it should fix the issue now. So I hope guys these solutions, one of the solution works for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.